Hi, I'm here at the federal courthouse in Little Rock, Arkansas, and I had to drive a half hour each direction on this beautiful day. We've had a lot of snow, and I'll just show you, it's looking really pretty today. But I had to drive out here to file this little handful of documents. They're file stamped now, and they're supposed to go on the docket. Now, the reason I had to do that is because Judge Lee P. Rudofsky, who was appointed by Trump, he denied me electronic filing because I'm not an officer of the court. Quote, officers of the court are really great people with a lot of, integrity, I guess, and the rest of us peons were not. So, anyways, I filed the document, and the documents, it was kind of interesting. It's my motion to strike his comments from an order of recusal, because Judge Lee P. Rudofsky finally recused himself. And his excuse was that he read my blog, which is www.court-corruption.com. Now, don't go looking for my blog just yet. This is the 15th of January, 2025. Hopefully it's back up, but after the Judge Rudofsky recused himself, the case got taken over by Judge Brian S. Miller, and I don't know anything about him. I haven't had time to research him, but the only thing I know is he came out the chute making really stupid and mean orders. So the first thing he did was say that I have to take down my blog, quote, temporarily. Well, I don't know how temporary it's going to be. Hopefully, because the problem with the blog was that I had posted some documents that were Judge Rudofsky ordered them filed under seal, and I had asked the Supreme Court. I'm there for petition on writ of certiorari for all his orders, but I was there. I asked the Supreme Court to unseal the documents, and it's kind of like a really convoluted thing, but they required me to make my motion to seal first and then unseal. Since they were sealed documents, they wouldn't let me file them without a motion to file sealed documents. But in the same exact motion, there was 10 pages. There was like one paragraph that said, these are sealed at the lower court, so I want to file them sealed. And then there was 9 pages saying why they should not remain sealed. Well, the Supreme Court said, motion granted. And I thought that meant the whole motion was granted. Silly me. So I unsealed the documents. I posted them on my blog. And then the next day I found out that from a conversation, not from an order or anything in writing, but a conversation with Lori Wood at the Supreme Court, she said, no, they just meant it was granted in part, the part to seal, and it was denied as to the rest, but maybe it wasn't really denied. Maybe they just didn't look at it. I know the defendant, Portfolio Recovery Associates, did not respond to the motion. And then when they asked for my blog to be taken down, the lawyer, James Treffel, he's with Troutman Pepper, he writes certified with his signature. Like, this guy could get disbarred maybe, like, if there was any justice in the Justice Department, he would be disbarred. But he says he never got served. Well, I didn't have one of those little green cards, but I did get tracking, and tracking shows he got served. I think his little lawyer trick is he was going to say, well, I didn't actually say I wasn't served that document. I just wasn't served the one that they docketed as being filed on October 7th. And this one was served on October 24th. But there was only one motion filed about sealing or unsealing. So, the guy didn't get a law degree by being a total idiot. I mean, maybe he did. I don't know. So anyways, that's what I'm doing now. I guess I'll go get some yummy treat over at the Root Cafe since I'm down here. And they have really yummy brownies. I think they're only $2.50. And all that happiness